Okay, can't give you the exact situation because of course your computer is completely frozen and it won't display a desktop, and it comes up with a silly error message saying that the desktop profile is missing. So the good old Control-Alt-Delete will still work, so we'll use that to pull up Task Manager. And here we have a Task Manager running. So if you have this system profile desktop is missing, you have effectively lost your user login. And the only way around it that I have found is to create a new one. And we can do that by going File, Run New Task. And then the task we need to run is control user passwords 2. And then click OK. And this allows us to get into our user accounts. And in our user accounts, we can now add a new user, which will be probably a local user. I'm not sure how well this is going to turn up on the screen, so I'm going to talk you through it. So the first thing it's asking for is a new address, and we don't really want that. So we can have an option at the bottom which will say, and again I'm not sure if Camtasia can record this screen, but it says sign in without a user account not recommended. Well, it might not be recommended, but we're going to do it. So you effectively are now going to create a local account, and I'm going to call the name user. I'm going to call the password admin because that's what I give all my internal systems. And I go next and finish, and that user account is now open. So if I now log out and I will be given multiple users, I will now be able to use that user. But before you go, what you might want to do is find the user produced on the list here, click on the properties, and you can see you have an option for group membership, and you can make this user an administrator. Now Microsoft is probably going to tell you about security issues, but the other balance you have to make is the security issue of Microsoft breaking all your user logins so you can't get into your computer. So I'm going to make it an administrator, click apply and OK. I can now log out from the login I'm in now, which hopefully will continue working, but if it doesn't, when it breaks, I have a new user account, a sort of backdoor to log me back into my Microsoft system. Please, Microsoft, don't make these sort of updates. It puts us off using them, and we know for security reasons we want to apply updates. So I hope that's useful, and I hope that gets you out of the mess, and I thank the people on answers.microsoft.com who, buried amongst all the pages, found me the answer here.